Hi everyone. Welcome to M. Shahab Official. In this video, I'll explain with practical example what electric current is. Electric current is simply the flow of electric charge through a conductor, like a wire. In metals, the charge is carried by electrons. In this example, I'm using a 5-volt battery connected to a 100 ohm resistor. You can see these both on screen. Now I am going to connect these with each other. To show you practically, the green dots represent the current. You can see them moving from the positive terminal to the negative terminal. This is called conventional current. Although we show current flowing from positive to negative, the electrons actually move the other way, from negative to positive. This is a convention to make diagrams easier to understand. In this circuit, you can see that when we increase the resistance, the green dots, showing the current, move more slowly. When we decrease the resistance, the green dots speed up again. This demonstrates Ohm's law. Current indirectly proportional to resistance. So, higher resistance means less current, and lower resistance means more current. Now we're increasing the voltage from 5 volts. You can see the green dots, the current, speed up. When we lower the voltage back to 5 volts, the green dots slow down again. This also demonstrates Ohm's law. Higher voltage results in higher current, confirming the relationship between voltage and current. I hope you can understand what the electric current is. Electric current is the continuous flow of electric charges through a conductor. In this example, the green dots represent that flow. As you saw, increasing the voltage made the current move faster, while increasing the resistance slowed it down. This clearly demonstrates that current depends directly on voltage and inversely on resistance, as described by Ohm's law. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more simple electrical explanations.